Hey girl, welcome back to another try on haul. I am Ursula. I am your CEO of Thee Boutique by Ursula. If this is your first time here, I am your founder and I am your styling girl. I am the one you come to for all of your fashion inspiration as well as your fashion pieces. And I would like to welcome you to my channel. If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you click that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything that I am bringing to you. As for this try on haul, this is my summer SLAYcation try on haul. Now, it's a little bit late. My summer SLAYcation collection has already dropped at shoptheboutique.com. Check it out if you haven't already. I didn't get a chance to film a try on haul prior to dropping the collection. So now I am here and I am bringing these lit pieces to you. Now, the whole summer SLAYcation came into play because summertime is approaching. We are now, I don't know, like 2 weeks away from summer, officially summer. There are lots of people that are starting to go on summer vacations, taking trips, cruises. And even if you're not actually going on a summer vacation, you could do a summer staycation. Whatever you're doing, I have the pieces for you to slay. When I was choosing pieces for this, however, in my mind, my brain, I was actually picturing a beach resort. Walking on the beach, I don't care where you're going. Thee Boutique have the pieces for you to slay. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Up first, as you can see, I have on a strapless maxi. Yeah, you could say it's kind of maxi. It's not all the way maxi, but it's below midi. So, she is snake print, green. See, this is what I meant when I say she's maxi. She's almost to your ankle, but not quite. This is the back. Baby, she's cute. She's fitted, bodycon style. But look, y'all, she is super stretchy. So you possibly could size down. I wouldn't just say it, but again, it goes according to how you want your dress to fit. This is a size large. I am a true size large. She has elastic around here, so she will stay up. She also have this little piece, is like a liner that goes like, I guess, beneath the breast. I don't know, but she is this soft like polyester, I would say polyester material, but she's cute. And honey, I have her on right here with a pair of sandals because she look cute just like this. You can also wear her with a pair of heels. That's the way I styled her in my pictures. So if you follow Shop Thee Boutique on Instagram, you would see how I styled her. And I actually have on heels, but she's versatile. So you could dress her up or down. And like I said, this is dressed down, but in the pictures you will see it dressed up. Well, you can see how I look with heels. Her name is Far From a Snake. So if you missed any of the pieces, go ahead and head to shoptheboutique.com right now and check out what we have left. Some of them have select sizes. I actually think this particular style has all sizes available. And it comes small to large, small, medium, large. Up next, we have another strapless piece. However, this is a jumpsuit. This is our wind down jumpsuit. She's really cute. She is this bright red color. And check her out. It has side slits. She's very lightweight, loose fit. She is stretchy. And as you can see, I don't know. Can y'all see this? She has the elastic on the top, so she will stay up, but she is loose fitted. I'm wearing a large. She comes in sizes small, medium, large. Again, it really depends on how you like to wear your clothing, because some people were actually able to size down in this piece. Let me show you. This is the back. She does have like elastic around the ankle area, so you are able to put her right there, or if you wanted to, you could even pull her up a little bit and you can wear her like this. It's however you choose to. I like it at the ankle. The color, bright, bold. I mean, honey, you'll be making a statement and you won't even have to say a word. You can walk up anywhere. Walk on the beach. You can walk inside of a restaurant. You can walk wherever you want to. Rocking the wind down jumpsuit, honey, and you are going to slay. Next up, we have our Tangerine Dream tank top dress. Really cute. She is Let me just let you see.
I'm so nice. I'm everybody type.
She's fitted. She comes above the knee, but she's cute and she's comfortable. Again, when I was choosing these pieces, I had beach resort in mind, being on the cruise ship in mind. So if you want to walk, be near the pool, if you want to put your bathing suit under her, it's just up to you. But she's a cute, simple dress that you can put on a cute pair of flip-flops with, or if you choose to put her on in the evening time and have you a nice dinner, put her on with a pair of heels, and honey, you will still slay. The choice is yours. I am wearing a size large. She comes in sizes small, medium, large. Fits true to size, but she does contain stretch. She is stretchy. I don't get any pieces that does not contain stretch. So always know that if you get a piece from Thee Boutique by Ursula, it does contain stretch. Now for this dress, I had to turn the lighting down just a little bit. This is our loosen up swing, well, tiered dress, but I call it loosen up and swing because of the way she's made. She is part of the cute, comfy, cozy, but I added her to the summer SLAYcation because once again, I had beach resort in mind, and I was thinking like whenever I went to breakfast, I was looking for pieces that wasn't too dressy, that I could just throw on but look cute, because for me, every time I stepped outside of my room, I wanted to slay. I still was trying to think of pieces that you can wear, that you can put on at any time of day, okay? Now, the thing about her, you can put a swimsuit on underneath because of the way she's made, how flowy she is. You could just put her on and go. I'm wearing a medium. I was able to size down in this piece because when I put on the large just looked too loose, big, and frumpy. So I decided to size down. And I love the way that she fits. Back, really cute. I love the tank style. Like, she is very comfortable, y'all. Very comfortable. And again, it's however you like to wear your clothing.
Excuse me, miss, what's your name? Can you come hang with me?
This piece is called Excuse Me, Miss Romper. She is really, really cute. Y'all, let me just tell y'all something. Everything that I just did, I gave a whole explanation. I gave everything on this romper and I wasn't recording. Now I'm just about to go through it. Anyway, really cute romper. I love the sleeve detail of it. Y'all see how it look? These sleeves are not, I mean, this part is not attached to this, but the way that it looks like it could be. It has the deep V neckline. I just have my bra on with it. This is how I would actually wear it. Now, this was the last thing that I remember saying when I found out that I wasn't recording. I was saying that she is a Versace-inspired piece. The print. Did y'all know that it's not pronounced Versace? It's actually Versace. I heard Donatella saying that. She said Versace is the most mispronounced Italian word in the English language. She said it's not Versace, it's Versace. So this is a Versace-inspired print, but it's not Versace, it's Thee Boutique. I'm wearing a size large. She's full of stretch, soft polyester material. This belt is attached. She comes in size small, medium, large. Cute, y'all see that? Cute. Next up, hunty, is Miss Showstopper. She is just that. Let me turn this lighting down so you can really. She is giving everything that she is supposed to give. Now, she is right at the knee. I love all of this, the detail. But let me tell you something. Now with her, I just chose it because I liked it. I mean, I know I was doing summer SLAYcation and I was saying all this and that about beach resort, but this one, honestly, what I thought about was birthday. Well, when you are the birthday girl, you need a birthday fit. And hunty, this is the birthday fit. She is cute. Let me tell you something. This one, I had to step in. I would suggest you step into her too. And when I say I'm talking step into her like a jumpsuit, baby, she's fitted. Now, this right here, this sweetheart neckline, right here, these, you have wires in them. And when I say wires, like the underwire bra, You have wires right here. I have on my regular black bra. I just tucked my straps in. This dress is cute. Miss Showstopper. And I don't know if you're really getting the color on camera, but she is a neon green, a bright neon green. I mean, like, beautiful. When I say making a statement, honey, you will make them stop and stare in Miss Showstopper. I'm wearing a size large. She comes in sizes small, medium, large. Up next is our Catch My Fly 3-piece short set. 1, 2, and 3. This is a really cute cardigan. Y'all see this? She's not long, kind of short, crop top. It's spaghetti strap style. And the shorts, this is a mock string. So it does not pull and cinch the waist. It's just here for decoration. This is the back. These are the shorts. Cute, cute, cute. With the crop top. They're in a size large. It comes in sizes small, medium, large. And all 3 pieces come together. This is one set. I have her dressed down here with sandals, but if you follow me, you will see I did dress her up with a pair of heels because she really can be dressed up or down. If you want to, you can bring this up here. You can tie it up if you don't want it hanging down. I mean, you can wear her however you want. You could tie her on each side if you choose to, if you want to make a knot on each side and wear it like that, or you could just simply wear her like this. It's really up to you. She's still available in all sizes. This is Miss Catch My Fly. Before I get into the last look of our Summer SLAYcation collection, I want you to check out our Sunny Days biker short set that we have in bright blue. Sizes are limited. It is part of the Cute, Comfy, and Cozy collection. When I chose this Sunny Days biker short set to be a part of our Summer SLAYcation collection, I was thinking of having a really cute, simple, yet comfortable outfit to wear on the airplane. We do have limited sizes available. Check her out. Now, we have come to the last look of this Summer SLAYcation try-on haul. I actually have 3 different tops and 1 bottom. This is our Cut Me Up crop top and our Destroyed Bermuda shorts. Really cute. This is the back. Now, as you can see, this top not only came in gray, but it also comes in black. But the black has sold out in size large. We still have all the other sizes available. It comes in small, medium, large. And I want to show you. This actually ties. I'm gonna untie it so you can see. This is how you close it up. The neck of it, you will tie it closed. Cute, huh? 3/4 length sleeve, and look at the bottom. She has these really cute silver rings going all the way around. Now, I would wear her just like this. You can see my bra strap going through, but guess what? It matched because the forever is in black. So, Destroyed Bermuda shorts. Unfortunately, sizes small, medium, large are sold out. We only have sizes extra large and 2X available. So if you fit either one of those sizes, I suggest you go ahead and grab her. She's cute. She's very, very versatile. As you can see here, this is our other crop top. This is our not your average crop top. As you can see, you have one shoulder out. My favorite combination, black and denim. And same bottom. I want to thank you for tuning into our Summer SLAYcation try-on haul. All pieces are available already on shoptheeboutique.com. If you have not checked it out, go ahead, check it out, grab your size. Also, if you are not following us on Instagram, make sure you follow at shop_theboutique. Follow us, theboutique_baddie, that's the model. Moi. And Curvy Girl Style Guide. Also, like us on Facebook. That's Thee Boutique by Ursula. And if you have not become a part of our squad here on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click your notification bell, leave me a comment. Let me know which pieces you like. If you purchased some, what did you get? And if you haven't, what are you purchasing? And share our boutique with your favorite girls. That is it for now. I will catch each of you same place, same channel. Stay poppin'. Adios.